Hello, my curious mind, and welcome back to this small talk English conversation video. Now, this is a small type blog, and firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Asif Sheikh, and I usually try to make a small talk which is English conversation. So, now today, I have to cover a journey from Bihar to New Delhi, and it was very fantastic. Now, you can see I am feeling a bit nervous because no one wants to separate from their family. So let's talk about the experience of the passenger who are actually strange to each other. I'm also one of them. When I reached the station to catch the train, what I saw, the train already arrived 30 minutes earlier. Then I entered and started finding the seat number. And finally, I found my seat number 69. I kept my bag and started to recording video for the education purpose. And now you are watching me. You can see the view of the train inside and outside also. One thing which I have ever you notice that life is a journey. We have to experience this. What? One thing have you ever noticed that life is a journey, we have to experience this. And gradually the train filling with passenger. The train provided me a set of bed sheet and a blanket and a pillow which also help to cover your journey very fantastic, where I make a bed and went to sleep. Meanwhile, I bought a cake and a popcorn and started enjoying the journey. Then I slept and I woke up in the morning and saw the phone. The time was 4:30 a.m. The train was scheduled to reach New Delhi at 6:40 a.m. but it finally arrived at 7:21 a.m. So it was delayed by 41 minutes. Now you can see the view at New Delhi railway station. After reaching, I informed my parents I have reached safely. Now I am going to book the Rapido bike. Now I booked a Rapido bike and the rider arrived within 20, not a 20, it just a 2 minutes. He picked me up and dropped me safely at my home. Now it was an amazing or a fantastic journey, and hoping that all you are enjoying the journey where I made this small talk English conversation. Now if you support me, then I'll make you very amazing or try to level up my knowledge. So keep supporting me and I'll meet you in my next conversation and enjoying the natures of the beauty. So goodbye, take care and enjoy the every small talk conversation and just trying to learn everything from the life and our experience. So goodbye, take care.
Midnight energy, yeah. Let it go.